Socrates encountered Euthyphro outside the court of Athens. Socrates has been called to court on charges of impiety by Miletus, and Euthyphro has come to prosecute his own father for having unintentionally killed a murderous hired hand. Socrates flatters Euthyphro, suggesting that Euthyphro must be a great expert in religious matters if he is willing to prosecute his own father on so questionable charge. Euthyphro concurs that he does indeed know all there is to be known about what is holy. Socrates urges Euthyphro to instruct him and to teach him what holiness is, since Euthyphro's teaching might help Socrates in his trial against Miletus. I dare say that the affair will end in nothing, Socrates, and that you will win your cause, and I think that I shall win my own. I am the pursuer. You will think me mad when I tell you. No, he is not very volatile at his time of life. My father. Yes. Of murder, Socrates. Indeed, Socrates, he must.